So on the wiki, we have over 600 custom cars. A few may be missing from the category, but at this point, we are doing something like what the Nitro Wiki has and putting the custom cars into a page with the table and all that. Now, so depending on the size of the car originally, the cars aren't going to match up. Like you can see, the Bel Air here was made to the size of a Nitro type car and therefore turned out smaller, and cars like my Liberty Rolls Racer were made a lot larger and therefore have turned out a lot larger even in the small image where they're that big, and the Bel Air's small images like that, same size as on the Nitro Wiki. But if you would like to know how to do this, I'm making this video right here, and I believe thread moderator Ali717 is also making a video, so we should have those available for you if you don't understand one. Now we're going to start by going to the custom cars category and going to whatever car is next. So wherever it leaves off on the page. In this case, it would be the 57 Liberty Bel Air, and we get to the 59 Liberty Eldorado. Now what you're going to do is you are going to open this image like this, and you're going to click right here to go to the page for it so that you can see the dimensions and everything. And once this loads, you're going to right click on it, copy the image address, and then you're going to go to remove.bg/upload. You're going to press this button where it says URL, paste it into the box, and let that process. And you are going to hit edit, hit erase restore, then restore to check if anything got removed from the image. If not, download it. If so, use the restore tool to add it back to the image. The next step is to go to simpleimageresizer.com/upload and make sure you have it set to dimensions right there. Now in Ali's video, it will be on a different editor, so if you don't understand one editor, you can always try another. And you're going to select the downloaded image right here. And now for the dimensions, you're going to go back to this page, which is still here. And you can see the dimensions are 363 by 139 pixels. Now, you're going to pull up a calculator, and you're going to type in 636 as the example. You're going to divide it by this number here, 3.357142857142857, and it will give you an approximate. Sorry, I had to pause it for a minute, but anyway, what I was saying was dividing the dimensions by this number will give you an approximate number for the small. So we're going to just paste it in, and we get this, and you're going to round it. So in this case, it would round down to 108, and then you're going to do the same thing for the height. So in this case, it's 139, divide by this number, you get 41.4, so 41, and then you press resize. So it'll pretty quickly do that. And then you're going to click download. That'll take you to this, and then you're going to right click, save it. And once that is downloaded, you're going to open it up like so. You're going to use the rotate button to make it face to the right. Close out of that. Close out of that tab. And now you're going to go into this page, custom cars. So this custom cars page, as you saw, has not made it very far into development, but you're going to start with the visual editor. Just let it load up. And once that loads in, you're going to scroll to the bottom. You're going to click this box. You're going to click that arrow, and then you're going to click insert below. And then double click on that box. And you're going to just go back to this page, whatever page you were on. Close out of this. Copy it and paste it here. Tab into the next box. You're going to go to the upload image. select a file. You're going to click your small image, agree to the image policy, upload, and then you're going to rename it to a rough copy of the name. So like Liberty underscore El Dorado small. Save. And so, sorry, I had to pause it again. You're going to hit use this image, insert it, and then you're going to see what it says on the page. And if it was anything that it was available in that has a link, you're going to copy the link address, paste it into the third box. The fourth box is asking for an achievement or tier, and if that doesn't apply, NA. Rarity should be in the info box. In this case, it's epic. It's not gold exclusive, and its ID is 1959. And you're going to save it. And now that that's there, you can see it's not aligned with everything else. So now you're going to go into the source editor. And once that loads in, you're going to scroll to the very bottom to where you were just at. And you see right here where it says file, Liberty Eldorado small PNG thumb. You're going to get rid of thumb and you're going to change it to center. And then you're going to save. And as you can see, now the Eldorado is aligned with the Bel Air, which are both Nitro type car size, where some of these other ones are not. And that is there now. So that's basically how you would get a car image set up for this page. We still have over 600 more to go. So it's going to be a bit of doing this. And every person who helps, we would really appreciate it. So again, if you didn't understand, you can rewatch this video. You can also leave a message on my wall, user NWS5683, here or on the Nitro Wiki. You can comment on this video. You can join the Discord server. You can watch Ali's video as well. I don't know how that one turns out. It might actually be simpler than this, but we'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you, and we can continue to build this wiki and get it to a more respectable level and have all the pages the way they should be. Till next time, Snuffy out.